Hello everyone. Today let's try to solve the problem of this MI soundbar. Actually, here you can see this is the MI soundbar. The problem with this is the volume plus key does not work. Here we can see the volume plus does not work. Volume minus does work. See, volume is down. Volume plus does not work. Only the volume on the device which we connect Bluetooth does work. So this volume key does not work. Let's try to repair this one. For this, first of all, switch off the device, unplug it from the adapter, power source. Okay. First of all, we need to remove this front speaker grill. There is a screw here. Okay. One screw. These four screws are smaller, just keep in mind these four screws are smaller than other screws. Take this PCB outside. So as we can see, too much of dust. Let me dust it. So I will connect it and check. Now let's switch it on and check. Now as you see,
and find there is none like you.
yes, you can see when I short the terminals of the volume plus key, it is working, which means that the switch is faulty. So I will try to replace this switch now. So for that, first of all, we need to switch it off. Just take this PCB outside. Disconnect it from power supply. Keep the speaker aside. I have this switch here, but the head of the switch is very short and it does not face up with this. As you see, it will be shorter and the volume key won't press it properly. So what I'll do is I will just repair this switch itself. Keep this aside. As you can see, this is the one which is causing the problem. As you can see the black part here, because of this there is no connectivity. Clean it. After cleaning this, you can just clean this switch here. Take a lint free cloth and clean it. I mean clean the switch here. Inside, then clean this dot. To remove the dust which we had scrapped out, or the carbon which we had scrapped out, is just apply the super glue on the edges of this steel plate. This way. Okay, let's take the soundbar. Now I need to connect it here. Okay, now let me again switch on. Okay. The volume is increasing. Decreasing.
Make to trend. Make to trend.
Good morning, Didi.
Decrease.
Didi.
If this video was helpful for you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.